everyone. I just wanted to go over what your assignment will be today. So if you go to Unit 5, this is our new unit that we are in. So you are going to be clicking on the, hopefully you've already done the Google form where you guys are supposed to just kind of update me on how your break was. And then you guys are going to be clicking on the picking your major in that Unit 5 here. So I gotta scroll down to Unit 5. Okay, so picking your major and paying for college. So for here, these are your directions. There are kind of a lot, so I recorded a video for you guys to help guide you through this. So you're gonna, in order to open this assignment, you need to make a copy of it by clicking on this link. Remember that it will force you to make a copy. And I already actually have one up here, so I'm not gonna actually make a copy. So I have one here. This is what your assignment will look like. Make sure that you are putting your name at the top. These little blue values over here, these are actually links to help you guys answer these questions. I know not everybody might be planning on going to college right now. However, you may change your mind once you may take like a class or two just to help you benefit and increase your pay when you actually have your career. And but so I just want you guys to kind of discuss your benefits, even if this might not be your plan as of now. But please go ahead and click these links to help you answer some of these questions. These questions over here on the left, this is your sticker price versus your net price. You'll be answering these questions. And once that's also going to help you figure out the values for the next question down here. So number 3, I'll fix this so it's not like reading like that. So you're going to follow the directions on this worksheet. So you can either click on this link here or you can also do the link I have on your Canvas page here. So this is once you've answered questions 1 and 2, you're going to click on this link. Again, it will force you to make a copy. And you can use the link here, or it's the same link that's right here. So you can go ahead and click it right there too. And it will bring you to this page here. So make sure you're putting your name on it. And the reason why I'm walking you guys through this is because it's going to be using this interactive tuition tracker. So make sure your first question is about that sticker price versus your net price. And then you're going to be opening up this spreadsheet to help us pick our 2 colleges. So if I go ahead and click on this interactive tracker, let's do this step by step. So the reason why I'm recording this video, you guys, is so you could rewind it. If I'm going too fast, pause it. We can walk you step by step, okay? So this tuition tracker, you have to have your major in mind. So I just, for my example, I picked Massachusetts. And you can see that I have 99 schools matching right now. So what level of a degree do I want? I want to have a 4-year degree. You guys could pick 2-year or 4-year. However, you guys, this is only going to be in state. If you, those of you that are thinking about going out of the U.S., sorry, for this purpose, we only have our state data. So what subject are we going to be studying? I'm going to pick math. Make sure that it, you guys may or may not be able to figure out a degree, but see if you figure out the degree, it actually matches your school's less because not all schools have a mathematics and statistics degree. For your public colleges, this is your question. I want you guys, so your goal, you are picking 2 different colleges to research. So I want you to make sure there are 2 different types. What I mean by that is that you are going to choose either a large public college and a small public college, or you could pick a private college and an Ivy League, or you could pick a large public or in a private college. You could pick a small public and an Ivy League. Either way, I just want you picking 2 different colleges. So for here, I want to make sure that let's pick the public one first. How big is the school? I don't really mind how big it is. I'm down to 17 schools already, so I'm just gonna go ahead and find my school. So I actually already completed this form. So this budget form, or not, sorry, budget, how much will you pay for college? So I guess it will be a budget form, is in this link right here. So if you click on this spreadsheet, it will have you guys force you to make a copy again. And you're going to use this tuition tracker to help you figure this out. So this is blank. I have filled mine in. I'll be walking you guys through it. So the University of Massachusetts of Boston is the one I first picked. And so let's go down to here. University of Massachusetts of Boston. So again, this is my public college. and it will show you guys that it is public right here with that little graduation cap. The sticker price is that $33,212. I put that sticker price right here. You will only have one sticker price. But how in the world did I get all of these values here? Well, if you see that this is from 0 to 30,000, so on my tuition tracker, you're going to go down here. Your net price right here, 0 to 30,000, it's already on there. So I put in $10,778. And that was my value right here, $10,778. Now I have to figure out from 30,000 to 48,000. So all I do is change it right here. And then I see what my new red value, that net price is, which is $12,108. Type that in here. Go to my 48,075. Just keep going down. Go to my next red. The reason why I'm picking the one at the end, that's the 2020, 2021 year. So now I'm picking that 15,433. That's what I put right there. Now I'm going to do my 75,110. Again, I just keep changing this to get my new net price, 22,618. That's this value. And then my 110,000 plus is our last one, and that would be the 23,302. So again, I have entered in the college. I literally just copied and pasted, you guys, the college that I had there. Look, it says right here. You could just highlight, Control C that, and then go over here and put Control Shift V, and it will actually paste it so it's nice in there for you. Or you could type it in however you'd like. So that is all for one college here. I have the one sticker price, and then I had to keep adapting this net price by changing according to which part I was filling out. Okay, great. So that is my public college. So I put it as my large public college. Now I actually picked Harvard as my private college, like I'm actually going to go there. So I just wanted to compare what it actually costs to do that. So I'm going to press back on my tuition tracker, go back. So please, please, please choose the same state, because I want you guys comparing colleges in the same state of where you guys are planning on living or moving. Make sure you have a 4-year degree. That's all the same options. I'm going to even pick the same degree, which means that I make sure that it actually registers it though, because sometimes it like takes a second to actually do this. So let's see here. Like, oh, there it goes. Okay, so now I finally have math and statistics again, now limited down to 54. And this time I want, instead of public, I'm going to go to a private. So $37 or $37, 37 schools. Let's make sure that Harvard pops up here. Yay. There's tons of all these other ones, you guys, too. So Harvard was my school. It says private now this time. And now it only has a 5% acceptance rate. It's very hard to get into. This is your new sticker price, $76,919. Oh, I need to put a 9 right there. Okay, so now $919. So then now I need to go through and do the same process, but I want to show you guys something, because see how it's negative $264? You are going to put negative 264. Make sure that these should all be money. So if you did not put the money sign right there for you, highlight them all and put the money sign. It's okay. This will be in black because it's a negative number. All of these will be positive because it is a positive amount that you are actually paying. Okay. So our tuition tracker, I'm just going to go through the process again of eliminating it. So if we see that we did the 0 to 30,000, we go over that, it's a negative $264. Go to my next one. We are at trying to get it. We're at $727. Put that in. Go back, and so on. Okay. So again, you're going to do the 2021, 3,900, 3,900. Okay. So you're going to enter those in. And then now I'm going to teach you guys how to actually make so we don't need our tuition tracker anymore. I'm just going to leave it up just in case I missed any of it. So that is your form. That's all you need to fill out for this portion of it. Now we're going to create this graph so that you guys can compare. There are step-by-step instructions right here. So create a multi-line graph comparing the annual net price of the 2 universities you are researching. If you need help creating the graph, you're going to follow these directions below and this video. So we're going to highlight cells B1 through G5. So B is up here, and then 1. And then we're going to go down to G5, which is just that whole area, because you guys might have put different values in there. Okay, so now that's me highlighting. Select Insert Chart. So we're going to go up to, make sure all those are highlighted, the B1 all the way to G5. And we're going to Insert Chart. Okay. So then now, once we insert our chart, you are going to make sure that it is a linear, let me show you. So now we're going to change the chart type to a line graph, and we're going to use the chart editor on the right side to do that. So let's see. So right here, so this is, we don't want bar graphs. We want to change our chart type to a line graph. And the other thing we need to do now, this is our chart editor over here on the right. Now the next thing, we need to switch the columns and the rows if needed. I definitely need to switch it because I have all these different prices or the different values. So I'm going to go down here, and it's at the bottom. It's that top checkbox. So you're going to switch rows and columns. And then yay, I get my values here. So annual net price, it has all my annual net prices. It has the cost here. It has the two schools I'm comparing, which is awesome. And you're just going to move the graph to make sure that you can actually see all of your data as well as your graph. So I'm just going to, that's why I had my graph originally down here. So I'm going to move it down there. And then you guys are going to be submitting this to me. I'm going to show you guys how to share this with me. I'm going to delete this because I already had it. Okay, so your chart should look like this, where you have your chart, your two schools are compared, it already calculated it for you, and you have all of your data here. Make sure that you share with me, and make sure that it is shared under the Lake Tahoe Unified School District. So just go down here to the Get Link thing. You're going to change, make sure it's Lake Tahoe Unified School District. You can make sure that it's view, a viewer. And I just want to make sure I'm able to view it. And then you're going to go ahead and copy that link, or you can now submit this under Canvas. So let me go ahead and, oh, sorry. The rest of this, you're going to be comparing and answering these questions using this. So I just wanted to show you guys that this is how you'll be answering these questions here. Also, how do you think you'd figure out a percentage of your sticker price and your actual paying? So for our large college, so the percentage of sticker price you are actually paying. For our large public college, what you are going to do, whatever your income is, you're going to take that number and divide it by the sticker price. Make sure it's going to give you a decimal, so make sure that you round that decimal 2 places to the right, and that will be your percentage. And it actually tells you to do the 48,700 to 75,000. So you will be using this value here. So whatever your value is there, you're going to take it and divide by the sticker price. And that will be your percentage. Make sure you move that decimal 2 places to the right. Then it also compares, so make sure you're doing that for both of your colleges. And then you're going to do the next one. If you had the $110,000, you're going to do the percentage as well by doing the column over here. And you're going to take that number divided by the sticker price, this number divided by your sticker price, and that's your new percentages. Again, moving your decimal 2 places to the right. Go ahead and type in your answer here to this question. Make sure you're submitting this document and the spreadsheet, so this completed document. Again, you're going to share this way again with the Lake Tahoe Unified School District the same way. You guys can either copy the links, either way, it's up to you. And you're also going to share this form, making sure that you're going back and answering this last question, number 4. Again, there's another link for you there, but this is the last question, and you'll be sharing this form with me too. So I need this one form, picking a major and paying for college. Second form, interactive, how much will your college actually cost you, and your spreadsheet. Okay, if you guys need help with that, actually here, let's just do it right now. So I'm going to go home. I'm going to show you guys the student version of this. We're going to go ahead and submit this assignment. So you guys are getting pretty good at this. You can either do it with a link, or you guys can do it with a bunch of different ways. So you guys can either do a link, or you guys are able to, let's see, make sure it's doing student view. So now we are in student view, unit 5. We're going to go turn this assignment in. Oh, our assignment's locked. Okay, now that our assignment is unlocked, we're going to go ahead and submit our assignment. You could either do the website URL. So this was the share. So if I go here and share, make sure it's shared with the Lake Tahoe Unified School District so that we can see it. So it's already on there. Awesome. I'm going to copy the link and I'm going to go back and make sure that I paste this link in here. Okay, submit assignment. That's just one of them, you guys, so you'll have to go back and resubmit it. I did do so that you have different submissions. So yay, we're going to do this here. Your file, upload, your text entry, or Google Drive. I believe it's the first Google Drive that also works, that you are able to go ahead. I'm not going to be able to show you, but you press that Google Drive, you go ahead and get all 3 of your documents and submit it that way. But it's totally fine if you need to do your upload submissions, okay? And you can, like I was just going to show you, there's the website URL again. If you guys have a totally easier way of doing this, that's totally fine. Again, just keep sharing the links with me. And then, like I said, I gave up to like 4 submissions, so you guys can turn them all each in as separate submissions if that works for you too. So I'm going to copy my link again and go back, type in my link. So please turn it in this way because then I actually get the links and I can read it right directly into Canvas. All right, you guys, please email if you have any questions. Rewind this video. This is a 30-point assignment that will be due tomorrow in class. I will spend the first 10 minutes of class going over any questions, making sure that you guys were able to upload this correctly. All right, have a good day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.